treat yourself to a test drive in the 2018 Ford Fiesta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan leads among competitors in its segment. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.